Logan, dance.
Oh, wow.
You wanna dance?
Mommy.
You wanna dance?
Is that Daddy?
That's not Dad. This is Mommy. You wanna dance?
No.
Where's the car over there? You gonna go play in your tent? Yes. What do you call that? Do you wanna dance? Please dance. You wanna eat your apple?
No.
Why not? What's wrong with your shoes? What's wrong with your shoes? What's wrong with your shoes, huh?
It's your shoe.
What's wrong with your shoes? No more. Where's your apple? That's Mommy's, okay? Don't touch that. You wanna dance, Logan? Logan. Logan, dance. You want juice? What happened to your juice? All done? Don't cry. Okay, we're gonna get you some juice, okay? Daddy's gonna get you some juice.
Come here and I'll get you some juice.
What's wrong with your shoes? What's wrong with your shoes? What's wrong?